Welcome back to Educate Chemistry. In our previous lecture, we learned that hydrocarbons are compounds made up of only carbon and hydrogen. But did you know that hydrocarbons are divided into three important groups? These are alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Today, we will learn what they are, how they differ, and how to identify them easily in exams. So let's get started. What are alkanes? Alkanes are hydrocarbons that contain only single covalent bonds between carbon atoms. For example, methane, C₄H₄, ethane, C₂H₄, propane, C₃H₄. Let's look at ethane, C₄H₃. Notice that the two carbon atoms are connected by a single bond. This is the characteristic feature of alkanes. Important point. Alkanes are called saturated hydrocarbons because they contain the maximum number of hydrogen atoms.
General formula of alkanes. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2 examples, CH4 methane, C₂H₄ ethane, C₃H₄ propane. What are alkenes? Alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain at least one double bond between carbon atoms. Example, ethene, C₂H₄, CH2 equals CH2. Notice the double bond between the carbon atoms. This double bond makes alkenes different from alkanes. General formula of alkenes. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n examples, C₂H₄ ethene, C₃H₄ propene, C₄H₄ butene. What are alkenes? Alkenes are hydrocarbons that contain at least one triple bond between carbon atoms. Example, ethyne, acetylene, CH. Notice the triple bond between carbon atoms. General formula of alkenes. The general formula of alkenes is CnH2n-2 examples, C₂H₂ ethyne, C₃H₄ propyne, C₄H₄ butene. Easy comparison. Let's compare all three. Alkanes single bond, C, saturated hydrocarbons example, ethane. Alkenes double bond, C equals C, unsaturated hydrocarbons example, ethene. Alkenes triple bond, C, unsaturated hydrocarbons example, ethyne. Memory trick. A simple trick to remember, on equals single bond alkane, A equals double bond alkene, yn equals triple bond alkyne. Remember, ane one bond type, single, ene double, yne triple. Daily life uses alkanes used as fuels, natural gas, LPG, petrol. Alkenes used in making plastics, polythene bags. Alkenes used in welding, torches, metal cutting. Quick revision. Today we learned, alkanes contain single bonds, alkenes contain double bonds, alkenes contain triple bonds. Alkanes are saturated alkenes and alkenes are unsaturated. Now you can easily identify whether a hydrocarbon is an alkane, alkene, or alkyne. If you found this lecture helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to Educate. In the next lecture, we will learn saturated versus unsaturated hydrocarbons. Thanks for watching.